Another cold front is on the way. Hello, I'm Philip Duncan with your weekend weather outlook. This week has gone very fast. The forecast this weekend does see another cold front. It's our third one so far this month, and that's saying something because we're not even 1 week into the month. But this next front is going to weaken as it moves into the North Island across Saturday. So let's take a look at the wind map. You can see high pressure to our north and well out to our west and southwest. So there's a big block of high pressure which is coming our way. It arrives about Sunday and Monday around New Zealand, but before then we've got this one more cold surge to come on through. There's a cold front in here, and before all that arrives, we've got a warmer than average Friday for the South Island and a Friday that is warming up for the North Island. In fact, Saturday's looking a little bit warmer for the North Island. So this is Saturday's setup, and you can see that cold front marching up the South Island. So there'll be a burst of heavy rain over on the west coast. We'll get some showers also coming up and some rain also for the eastern side, which, to be honest with you, apart from the timing not being so great, being a Saturday, will be welcome because the ground is a little bit dry. So to get a little bit of rain on the eastern side, that is actually good news, but I'm sure you're not going to enjoy the timing or the southerly that comes in behind it because it does get colder. But the North Island's the other way around. It's warmer than average to begin with. In fact, in a number of areas, quite a mild afternoon on the way, but this front does move up into the north as the day wears on. But I must point out, this side of the front already in the pale blue means it's already crumbling and falling apart and just has a few drizzly showers in there. As it goes further northwards, it runs into that high pressure and really does fall apart. So some of you on Saturday night may be expecting a band of rain, but you might just get some drizzle and that's it. Now to Sunday, that front fallen apart, so you see what I mean. Now it might be a bit cloudy when you wake up on Sunday morning, and there may be some drizzle spells, drizzle patches around. Rain's more likely around that northeast corner. Otherwise, hello high pressure. Nice to see you. It's been a while. So that comes in on Sunday. Now remember, with the cooler change, we might have a fairly cold Sunday morning. Some of you might even get a frost. We've had a couple of surprising frosts so far this month. So Sunday morning looks a little cold, but here's the good news. Monday morning does not. Monday morning looks warm because it is subtropical northerlies coming down across the country. So we warm back up again on Monday quite nicely in both islands. And as we head towards Tuesday, no real change. We've still got a subtropical flow coming right down over both islands. So the start of next week, very different to the start of this week. We're not talking about snow to low levels. We're not talking about wind chill, not yet anyway. It is looking like a fairly mild start to next week, warmer than average in fact in a number of regions. But our final map for Wednesday does indicate the next change, and that is our next cold front. That will be our fourth cold front in 1 week, and that one will come on in here with a bit of low pressure. And as the week wears on, I think you'll find there'll be a little bit of a Southern Ocean southerly coming in for the lower part of the South Island at the end of next week, while northern New Zealand still has milder airflows. That is all from me. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday.